Bulbasaur proof fast on me. It's the future. We got 1 century left to live. Send troops, all Stark Industries. I'm so sick for happening like this. I help mental disabled persons. Accept your misery. Your concepts are out of touch and missing. Should I down below post a link? Darwin's theory. It's about evolution. Who strive the hardest? The sharks in the sea? Or the people Ancestory? I'm like the biggest scandal conspiracy. Watch my bro with gatekeepers. Bars pretty. Yeah, I'm on the mic, like Scofield. If you penetrated with a Springfield, you're lost, bitch. Look like a cross between Israel from the song Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow. And Hurley, the darn freak G. Tonight I've got 62.5 virgins, but the one that is a half only, I have 1 nut, 1 titty, 1 leg. It has more balls than you goddamn fucking pussy. I'm angry. You piss off constantly. I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. Just slot hole, rearranged to shell out money. Right like a ripper, genius. I call it a day. Posting comments on my own post, right? No hard feelings. I do everything for nothing. I'm such a loser. God, life got a hold of me. Angry. You piss off constantly. I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. Just slot all rearranged to sell out money. Right like a ripper, genius. I call it a day. Posting comments on my own post, right? No hard feelings. I do everything for nothing. I'm such a loser. God, life got a hold of me. I'm angry. You piss off constantly. I'm a pirate of the Caribbean. Just slot hole rearranged to sell out money. Right like a ripper, genius. I call it a day. Posting comments on my own post, right? No hard feelings. I do everything for nothing. I'm such a loser. God, life got a hold of me. Vibrating, meditating, elevating. 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 Vibrating, meditating, elevating.